Good afternoon, everyone. Hope you all are having a great day so far. So today on my desk, I have the icon meme tool, and I wasn't really sure how to make this video. I'm sure that a lot of you have seen the icon meme tool with the Ratchet and all the bits inside. You may have also seen the Klein flip socket that you can use with this kit as well. However, I also have some Astro Nano sockets, and I wanted the Ratchet to fit in a smaller place than it needs to be. Fit the head of the Ratchet into smaller places. So initially, I bought this. This is made by the brand 711L. It's a 1/4-inch magnetic bit extension T-handle, L-handle 15mm deep, and it comes in a pack of 2. However, even when putting this through the Ratchet handle, I found this to be a little bit too much. Still wanted to make it more flush. So ultimately, I decided to cut down the second one up until around this point and sand down the edges so I could then take the Ratchet, and when I insert it, it fits completely flush with the body. So then I could take a flip socket, put it in, and then it clicks into place. The mechanical function is retained in the cut piece, which also functions identically to this piece here, switching from this end over to here. And there you go. Packing up the bit is relatively simple as well. And there you have it. I'm sure there are other solutions as well. However, this is what I decided. Just wanted to share an interesting mod for the icon meme toolset. But in any case, feel free to like the video if it has helped you in any way. And please consider subscribing as it helps the channel a lot. And once again, thank you all for watching. And I hope you all have a great day. Take care.